A 74-year-old grandpa stuck in a wheelchair after a nasty fall, suddenly walking again. Yep, strolling like he's chasing his grandkids. Sounds like a cheesy miracle, right? Wink. But here's the kicker. It wasn't luck or some fancy pill. It was one simple breakfast swap, a protein-packed cheese that flipped his recovery into high gear. Curious? Stick with me, because today I'm spilling the science on 8 cheeses that can rebuild your muscles, protect your joints, and recharge your energy after 60. And trust me, the final cheese? It's a game changer you'll wish you knew about years ago. Welcome back to Health After 60, where we share practical science-backed tips to help you thrive in your 60s, 70s, and beyond. Today's all about a food you probably already love. Cheese. But not just any cheese. We're diving into 8 varieties that do more than taste good. They act like natural medicine for your aging body. If you find this helpful, please hit that subscribe button. It's a small click that keeps us sharing life-changing tips with seniors worldwide. Let's get started. Here's the thing. After 60, your body starts playing a sneaky trick called sarcopenia. That's the medical term for age-related muscle loss. It's why climbing stairs feels harder or why you tire out faster than you used to. A 2019 study from the Mayo Clinic found that adults over 60 can lose up to 8% of their muscle mass per decade if they don't take action. That same chicken breast or egg you ate at 40, it just doesn't pack the same muscle-building punch at 70. Your body needs smarter fuel, foods that deliver protein and bioactive compounds to flip your muscle-building switch back on. That's where cheese comes in. Not all cheeses, though. Some are just fat and salt bombs. But the right ones? They're like a secret weapon for strength. Let's count them down. Starting our list is ricotta, the creamy, dreamy cheese that's as kind to your stomach as it is to your muscles. Made from whey, the stuff bodybuilders swear by, ricotta delivers 11 grams of protein per cup, plus calcium and vitamin B12. A 2021 study in the Journal of Nutrition showed whey protein absorbs in just 30 minutes, sending amino acids straight to your muscles to repair and rebuild. For seniors, this is huge, especially if chewing steak feels like a workout or heavy meals leave you bloated. Ricotta's soft texture makes it easy to eat, even if you've got dental issues. I met Maria, a 72-year-old grandma who used to struggle with heavy dinners. Her doctor suggested ricotta on whole grain toast with berries for breakfast. Weeks later, she told me her legs felt stronger climbing stairs, and her bloating gone. Ricotta's got another trick up its sleeve: natural lactoferrin and immunoglobulins, which quietly boost your immune system. At an age when a cold can knock you out, that's a big deal. Try spreading ricotta on toast or mixing it with fruit for a light, muscle-friendly meal. If ricotta is your daytime ally, cottage cheese is your nighttime protector. Here's why. It's packed with casein protein, which digests slowly, releasing amino acids over hours. A 2020 study from Harvard Medical School found that eating casein before bed can reduce overnight muscle breakdown, a time when your body's most vulnerable, after 8 to 10 hours without food. 1 cup of cottage cheese gives you 12 grams of protein, loaded with leucine, the amino acid that tells your body, hey, keep building muscle. James, a 69-year-old retired carpenter, used to wake up stiff and weak. His nutritionist suggested a small bowl of cottage cheese with a sprinkle of cinnamon before bed. A month later, he felt steadier, less sore, and had energy to spare. Cottage cheese is also low-fat, gentle on digestion, and packed with calcium and B vitamins. It's the perfect late-night snack for seniors who want to protect their strength while they sleep. Before we move on, here's a quick tip. Balance is key. Cheese is powerful, but don't overdo it. 1 or 2 slices a day, paired with veggies or lean proteins like fish or beans, gives you the benefits without extra calories. Got kidney issues? Check with your doctor first. Okay, back to the list. Gouda's that golden, slightly sweet cheese you probably had in a sandwich. But it's hiding a superpower. Vitamin K2. A 2022 study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed K2 directs calcium to your bones, not your arteries, reducing the risk of osteoporosis and heart issues. 2 big concerns after 60. With 25 grams of protein per 100 grams, Gouda also fuels your muscles. Barbara, a 76-year-old former teacher, was warned about thinning bones. Pills upset her stomach, so she started adding Gouda slices to her lunch salads. 6 months later, her bone density scans improved. Not a cure, but a real step forward. She grinned and said, "Cheese over pills any day." Gouda's a win for your bones, arteries, and taste buds. Try it in small portions to keep sodium in check. Provolone's next, and it's a powerhouse with 26 grams of protein per 100 grams. What makes it special? It pairs protein with healthy fats and B vitamins like riboflavin and niacin, which keep your energy steady all day. A 2023 study from the World Health Organization noted that B vitamins are critical for seniors to combat fatigue and maintain stamina. Provolone also has selenium and zinc, which boost immunity and sharpen taste and smell. Huge for seniors who find food bland. Frank, a 72-year-old retiree, used to crash after lunch. His daughter added provolone to light meals like zucchini wraps. Suddenly, he was gardening again, feeling sharp and energized. Provolone's phosphorus also supports joint health, easing stiffness for those with mild arthritis. Add a slice to your lunch for a boost that lasts. Who doesn't love Swiss cheese with its quirky holes? It's got 27 grams of protein per 100 grams, plus a nutrient combo that's perfect for seniors. It's rich in vitamin B12, which a 2021 Harvard study linked to better memory and nerve health, crucial as we age. Swiss also has zinc for immunity and taste, and natural probiotics from fermentation that improve digestion. Plus, its conjugated linoleic acid, CLA, may reduce inflammation, per a 2020 Journal of Dairy Science study. Harold, 77, felt foggy and low energy until his daughter added Swiss to his sandwiches. Weeks later, his focus sharpened and digestion issues eased. Swiss cheese turns a simple meal into a nutrient powerhouse for your brain, muscles, and gut. You know, my own dad, at 68, started feeling weaker and less steady. We added small amounts of these cheeses to his meals, and it was like watching him rediscover his spark. It's not just food. It's hope on a plate. Which cheese are you excited to try? Drop it in the comments. I read everyone, and your stories inspire me. Gruyère's nutty, firm, and packs 30 grams of protein per 100 grams, almost as much as chicken. A 2022 study in Bone Journal found its calcium and phosphorus combo strengthens bones, reducing fracture risk. Robert, a 71-year-old hiker, bounced back from a wrist fracture by adding Gruyere to soups and veggies. Months later, he was hiking again, saying, "Cheese gave me back the mountains." Its rich flavor also boosts appetite, key for seniors who struggle to eat enough. Sprinkle it over meals for maximum impact. Romano's a flavor bomb with 31 grams of protein per 100 grams. It's loaded with calcium, phosphorus, vitamin A, and B12, supporting bones, vision, and nerves. Clara, 78, recovered faster from hip surgery by sprinkling Romano on soups. A 2020 nutrient study confirmed its nutrients aid tissue repair. But watch the sodium. Use it as a seasoning, not a main dish. A little Romano goes a long way, making every bite count. And here it is, the king, Parmesan, or Parmigiano Reggiano. With 35 to 36 grams of protein per 100 grams, it's a muscle-building beast. Its leucine content, per a 2023 Journal of Gerontology study, tackles anabolic resistance in seniors, sparking muscle repair. Parmesan's aging process makes it easy to digest, and its peptides may lower blood pressure, per a 2021 hypertension study. Antonio, 73, sprinkled it on salads and soups, and soon felt steadier and stronger. Use moderation due to sodium, but a daily sprinkle is pure magic. These cheeses are powerful, but they're not a free-for-all. 1 or 2 slices daily, paired with fish, beans, or veggies, gives you the benefits without overdoing calories or sodium. Softer cheeses like ricotta are great for sensitive stomachs, while aged ones like Parmesan suit lactose-intolerant folks. Always check with your doctor if you have health concerns. Which cheese will you try first? Share in the comments. Your story could inspire someone else. If this video gave you hope, give it a like and tap the thanks button to support our mission to help seniors thrive. Age changes your body, but with the right foods, you can fight back. Stay strong, stay curious, and keep nourishing yourself. See you in the next one.